On this Uber app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card into your account so you can pay for your Uber rides. So I'm in the Uber app right now. As you can see, I'm going to click the icon in the bottom right hand corner, click account. Then this pulls up. I'm going to click wallet right in the middle. And then once I do, I know a lot going on here. I'm going to go down and you can see payment methods. Then I'm going to click add payment method. You can see I have a bunch of different ones here. I've already done a video, for example, about how to pay with PayPal. You just click PayPal. It's that easy. I'm going to click all the way at the bottom, credit or a debit card. Once I click this, I'm going to enter in the information, and that's it. Pretty easy overall. One thing I do want to say, though, and stress, which is kind of nice, is you do not have to have your credit or your debit card on you when ordering Ubers. Once you do, once that information is saved, you're set. So it's not like say when you get in the Uber, like say you've never taken an Uber before, it's not like when you get in the Uber, the driver is going to say, hey, can I see your credit card to verify it or something like that? No. Once you enter in this information, it's pretty seamless, and I love that. That means once I enter in my credit card information, any single time I'm ordering Ubers, I just order it. I don't have to have my credit card on me. I don't have to check it. I don't have to bring it with me. I just order it, and I'm good to go.